When you see this sign, make sure that you don't take this trade. It's very risky for you. It's very risky when you see the sign. You don't take this trade, all right? Hello, guys. Welcome to my channel. It's your boy, Etiforex, the Major. I want to show you guys something very important, something that will help you guys make consistent profits in this business, all right? It's mainly for beginners, those that are just new in the market, those with small accounts, all right? This thing I'm about to share with you, I'm about to show you guys the strategy and the secret I'm about to share in this video is for you. Okay, so make sure you watch this video to the very end, and don't just watch it to the end. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share. Very importantly, you share with friends, all right, for them to watch and also benefit from this video. And also check the description of this very video. Click down there. You will see my link where you can chat me up. You have any issue or you have any suggestion, anything at all, any idea, you can chat me up. You want to join our academy? The academy is open. February batch is ready. All right, our classes starts 3rd of February. Okay, so make sure that you chat me up so as to enroll, join the platform, and start learning how to catch fish your own, to do the fishing by yourself, okay, without waiting for someone to provide signals and cheat you and all right? So let me show you how to make money from this market, okay? How to extract consistent profits, price action, pure price action, the real thing you need to know, the real thing that those successful traders are making use to be successful, right? Yeah, and also VIP platform is ready. It says we give 3 to 6 high probability signals every day, and account management is open. If you have up to $200, just chat me up. Let's make money together. All right. Yeah, so this strategy is for boom and crash. I use this strategy to scalp the boom and crash markets. All right, B1000, B500, C1000, C500. All right, yeah, C500. So yeah, all right, so I'll advise you guys to sit tight, like this video, and watch the video to the very end to see the top secret I'm talking about here. All right, thank you. Yeah, so you're welcome. This strategy is very simple. It's a very simple strategy. All right, it's a very simple strategy. Okay, it's a very simple strategy. But one thing you need to know is that there's always a trend. There's always a trend. Now you can see B1000 is in a strong downtrend. Let me show you why you should learn price action. This is my target on okay. So this is my target on. Oh, before I go on, I know some people are having it very hard to move their charts like this to the left or right. All right, so you can see what happened now, what I just did now. This is something I just did now. Okay, once you hold, just need to tap on your screen, all right, and hold the screen for a few seconds. You can see that line that pops up. If you check below, you can see one ankle here, down here. You click and hold that ankle and move it to the right or left, any place you want to position your screen. It will move from here. Some people are having difficulty moving their screen from this ankle to this other ankle to centralize it. Okay, so that's what you need to do. Very simple, guys. Just hold your screen like this. The ankle will turn up. All right, down below there you can see one black stuff there. You hold on that black stuff and move to any position you want to position your screen, because some people find it difficult to move it from here, right? So it will be hard for you to make your analysis, to do your analysis when your screen is very close to this other side like this. All right, you can see how hard it is. So just hold that ankle and move it to the left hand side. Simple. All right, so now you see, this is why you should learn price action. Before I go and show you guys this strategy, let me show you this strategy here. You can see this is why you should learn price action. This is what I've been teaching my people. This is what I've been teaching my people. Very simple. It's very simple. I told you guys price action is the simplest. It's easier than what we are doing here. This indicator. So you can see we have uptrend. We had the first touch. We have the second touch, which is, let's say, the double top, but I wouldn't call this one double top. It's just a structure, a bearish structure. So we had the first touch, we had the second touch, and market went below the previous low, and that created a new down structure, market went up again to this point, you'll be looking for selling opportunity, because even when you put this stuff like this, we have a downtrend right there. We have a downtrend like right there. So right now, I'm looking at B1000 to drop to this level. All right, that's why you have this. I have this line here to drop to this point and probably break that line to maybe somewhere here. So you can see now, I can if I'm entering B1000, I cannot buy B1000 blindly unless I just want to catch spikes, and even with that, I need to be careful. So if I'm selling B1000 now for like a week from now, all right, it's be going down. So you can see how many days has it been going down. So if someone that is so smart enough that took market from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, it will be dropping for like a week or 2 weeks, 3 weeks. It might get to this point that I just told you, this point. So you can hold it to this point like 3 weeks or a month, like 2, 3 weeks. Do you know how much you will make? So price action tells you where the market is, what the market is about to do. You stay in the future, you wait for the market, right? So now you know when to sell, you'll be selling. So in this kind of market, I know that this is a downtrend. I'll be looking to sell. I'll be looking to scalp instead of catching spikes on boom, on boom, right? I'll be selling B1000, I'll be selling more. So that's what I want you to know, that trend also helps when trading boom or crash. All right, so now we're scalping boom 1000. We're scalping. I'm showing you the strategy on boom 1000, that this is a good one for you to sell boom 1000 now with this strategy. All right, so this strategy is for scalping. You stay on the 1 minute time frame. The zoom level is this, the one zoom level 1 and zoom level 2. Zoom level 2 is enough for you to see what you're doing, but if you think it's affecting you cannot see very well, you can use the third zoom level, which is this one. It's still fine. All right, so now you're catching just 5 candlesticks to 10 candlesticks and you're fine. For those that are greedy and you want to catch 10 candlesticks, but the risk is a bit high, but if you can just catch 5 candlesticks and you're out and wait for another opportunity, that's awesome. But in a strong trend like this, strong sell market like this, it's advisable to catch more than 10 candlesticks even. That's if you can identify the trend very well. All right, so this is a strategy I'm giving you now. You need to know these stuff. Join the academy. Let me show you how to identify this stuff. Let me show you something here. My student, I have a student that knows that is swinging market as we speak. She is swinging VIX 75 and she just joined the academy. I'm not sure it's more than 2 weeks now, and she's killing the market on her own. Let me show you. Okay, so this is my students. You can see this H4. Okay, she's buying VIX 75. This is our target. You can see TP up there. You can see our TP up there. This is our TP. This is where she's buying. That's our TP up there to that point. That's our TP up there. That's our target. So see, look at the entry here, and there's our target up to this point. She's swinging the market as we speak. Market is up to this point now, somewhere here. So you can see how much she's making already. All right. You can see how much she's making already. All right. So this is what I'm saying, guys. You need to join the academy. She's killing market on her own, even without waiting for my signals, right? She's killing the market. She's always making money from $20. She likes funding just $20 and make good money. So guys, join the academy. It's just $60. With $60, you'll be able to learn how to do all these stuff on your own. All right. Then signal is also included. Signal is also included. Lifetime signals is also included once you enroll with just $60. All right, so guys, join the academy now. Let's make money together. I love you guys. So now let me bring this strategy up already. Now when you see this is how to go about this strategy. Let me first of all show you guys the settings before I come back here. So we have 3 indicators here. We have the RSI, which is the first indicator you're bringing in. We have the MACD and the second MACD. So 3 indicators. All right. So 3 indicators. We start with the RSI. All right. We open the RSI. Period is 6. Applied to typical price. The levels, we have level 90, we have 10, we have 20, and we have 80, right? You screenshot so that you don't forget. Okay, so the color here will be white because I'm using white background. I don't want it to be shown on my chart. Then you can do the same, okay? Yeah, you click on done. That's simple. All right, so we go back again. We add the first MACD. The first MACD, be careful when you're putting these settings. Fast EMA for the first MACD, fast EMA is 10. Slow EMA is 26. You can screenshot, guys. MACD SMA is 12. Apply to median price. All right. We have down here under style, we have main. The main is white, completely white because I'm using white background so that it won't be shown. And then the signal here is blue color. All right. Use blue color and you click on done. You go back again and add the second MACD. All right. So this one here, screenshot please. Fast EMA is 16. Slow EMA is 32. MACD SMA is 16. Median price, apply to median price. Then down where you have style, you see the main. The main now is green. I'm using green, and is it second or third pixel? Then the signal is red. All right. So you click on done. That's the strategy. Now look at this. Pay attention, please. When you're selling, want to like crash, boom, you want to scalp boom. So what you need to do is wait for boom to come from down here up to this point. Now, when it comes to this point, you see when you have this volume, this stuff that looks like volume, right? This dot like that looks like volume. This wave, when you have this wave all the way to the top like this, is not a good one. Like what we have here now is not really a good one. All right, it's not really a good one. We have this thing up to this point, it's not really a good one. But if you have something like this, pay attention. If you have something like this, as it is now, you see this indicator moved from down here, even the wave, this main here, this wave here, all right, this wave here, this volume here, moved from here and it crosses this line like this. Then from there, moves to this point, to this overbought zone. Once there's a separation between this line and it moves like this to this zone, then you have the two MACD, the blue and the red one, up to this 80 zone level, the overbought level. What you're doing next, will wait for this blue indicator here, this blue MACD, to cross the red one downward. Once it crosses, you're selling and you're taking 5 candlesticks or 10 candlesticks depending on your trend. All right, the same thing here. You can see the same example. When there is a separation, it moves from here, from this line up to this point, and we have the same, those two indicators here crossing each other, you're selling from there. All right, the same thing here too, you're selling from there. But when you have something like this, it's risky. It's not good to sell. When you have something like this, it's not good to sell. This is not good to sell. You can see what it's doing. That shows that it has not crossed the sell side. It has not crossed the sell side. So it's still down. You can see here, it's still a downtrend. Now, which means that it's going down. It has been going down for a while and it might spike. So for you to sell somewhere here, it's risky. For you to sell when you have this wave like this, these waves like this, please, if you don't understand, drop a comment there. Let me show you guys what to do again. All right, let me explain better. All right, so when you have this wave up to this point without a separation like what we have here, it does not separate like what we have here. It does not cross. It did not cross this line. It did not cross this line here, this red line. Yeah, it did not cross this line, but it moves to this point, to this upside. All right, so it's wrong. It's not good to sell like that, to scalp with that setup. But when you have something like this one here, this one is a good one. Why? Because it has spiked already. You know, once you spike like this for a long time, it will want to correct, it will want to drop for a while. So this one is okay for you to sell. But this one and this one is okay to sell. This one is okay to sell. This one is okay to sell. But once you have something like this, it's risky because it's in a downtrend. It might give you a very massive spike and take so much from you. But when it's like this, it's okay to sell, right? It's okay to sell. So yeah, that's it. That's the strategy. Very simple. Wait for market to get to the overbought level for boom. Then this wave here get to the overbought level, the level 80, 90. Then the indicators, the blue and the red indicator here also gets to the to the level 80. And once the blue crosses the red, you're selling and take 5 to 10 candlesticks, make your money. That's simple, guys. That's simple, guys. That's simple, guys. Yeah, that's it. So that's the strategy. If you don't understand the strategy, just drop a comment. Let me know you don't understand. I can make another video on this. All right. So please like this video. The more you like this video, the more it will be shown. It does not take anything from you. It will be taken, like it will be shown to other people to benefit from this video as well. Join the academy, guys. This year you need to have this skill. Let me teach you how to do this stuff. All right. In just 2 weeks, 1 month, you're good to go. That'll be all for now. Thank you.